family words 1. Ob and odd words. C-O-B, k-o-b, cob. M-O-B, m-o-b, mob. S-O-B, s-o-b, sob. Here are the ob words: cob, mob, sob. C-O-D, k-o-d, cod. N-O-D, n-o-d, nod. P-O-D, p-o-d, pod. R-O-D, r-o-d, rod. Let us read the odd words once again. Cod, nod, pod, rod. O, family words 2. Og words. D-O-G, d-o-g, dog. F-O-G, f-o-g, fog. J-O-G, j-o-g, jog. L-O-G, l-o-g, log. Read the og words: dog, fog, jog, log. O, family words 3. Op words. C-O-P, k-o-p, cop. H-O-P, h-o-p, hop. M-O-P, m-o-p, mop. T-O-P, t-o-p, top. Let us read the op words once again. Cop, hop, mop, top. O, family words 4A and B. Odd words. C-O-T, k-o-t, cot. D-O-T, d-o-t, dot. G-O-T, g-o-t, got. H-O-T, hot, hot. L-O-T, lot, lot. N-O-T, not, not. P-O-T, pot, pot. R-O-T, rot, rot. Let us read the odd words. Cot, dot, got, hot, lot, not, pot, rot. Or family words 6. Ox and oi words. B-O-X, b-o-x, box. F-O-X, f-o-x, fox. The ox word for a recap: box, fox,